Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to get a cat to drink more water. This video will take you through simple tips every cat owner should know to elevate their pet's water intake, so stick around for the best hacks. The first trick is to use a cat water fountain. Being playful and curious animals, cats are easily intrigued by running water jets. You can leverage this by purchasing a water fountain for your cat to encourage more water intake. The fountains not only tap into cats' playfulness, but also supply them with a continuous stream of clean water to drink at all times. Considering the crucial role the water fountain will play in your cat's hydration, it's critical that you select a fountain that will be convenient for both you and your pet. When selecting the fountain, prioritize factors such as noise level, ease of cleaning, functionality, and durability. You can even go for fountains with variable flow rates to suit your cat's preferences. Having multiple drinking stations dispersed in your home. Providing multiple drinking stations is another ingenious way to encourage your cat to drink water often. Increasing the number of these stations strategically placed in your home, say on each level of the house, will reduce the distance your cat has to walk to access water whenever their thirst kicks in. If having several cats, then you'll also have to provide more drinking stations. If you decide to use water bowls for your drinking stations, it's important to clean them regularly to maintain a high hygiene level. Cats have an impeccable sense of smell, and their water intake urges may be discouraged by dirty bowls. On top of that, replacing the water instead of replenishing it will help to keep it fresh and prevent bacteria and algae buildup. Meeting your cat's drinking preferences. Similarly, identifying your cat's drinking preferences and striving to meet them will also enhance their water intake habits. Every cat is unique and may have completely different drinking habits to the next one. Experimenting with factors like the type of drinking vessel to identify your cat's preferred bowl type will enhance their water intake. Some cats may find ceramic bowls more appealing than plastic containers, while others may prefer shallow bowls that don't touch their whiskers, while others don't. The most critical thing is to observe your cat's behavior and adjust accordingly to meet its preferences. The drinking vessel may not be an issue to other cats, but how the water tastes. Adding flavor to the water using additives like sodium bone broth may entice the cats to hydrate more. However, it's crucial to note that while flavor water can enhance your cat's water intake, it should not substitute clean fresh water as a primary hydration source. So there you have it. Feel free to like, comment, and share the video if you found it helpful. Till next time.